Hi, today we're gonna cook Sichuan spicy chicken. Tender chicken breast with the flavorful sauce topped with the spicy red chili oil. This is a very delightful way to enjoy a famous and classic Chinese dish. Let's get started with the spicy red chili oil. Take a medium-sized bowl, add minced garlic for aroma, sprinkle some chili powder for a touch of color. Add the chili flakes for that extra kick of heat. Toss in sesame seeds to enhance aroma. Then heat some oil in a pan. Add half an onion or same weight of scallion. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Once crispy, remove it from the oil. Carefully pour the hot oil into the bowl. Don't forget to add some sesame oil and Sichuan peppercorn oil to enhance the flavor. The smell is so good. Your spicy red chili oil is ready. Next, let's whip up the delicious sauce. Take a separate bowl, add sesame paste, peanut butter, soybean paste, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Gradually add a small amount of warm water. Stir and blend these ingredients until they combine seamlessly. The sauce will thicken as you stir. If needed, add a bit more water until reach your desired consistency. Now that the sauce is ready. Finally, it's time to cook the chicken. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Place the chicken breast into the water. Add some cooking wine, a star anise seed, Sichuan peppercorns, ginger slices, and green onion. Simmer over low heat for about 20 minutes. Once done, let the chicken cool down. While the chicken cools, let's prepare some veggies. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Then cut these slices into thin stripes. Arrange the cucumber stripes neatly on a plate. When the chicken has cooled, let's shred it. Use our hands to pull the chicken apart, shredding it along the grain. You'll notice how tender it is. Place the shredded chicken on top of cucumber, then pour the sauce over the chicken. Don't forget to drizzle the spicy red chili oil on top. Now your Sichuan spicy chicken is ready to be enjoyed. This dish is not only aromatic and flavorful, but also elevated by the richness of red chili oil, which makes it a must-try in Chinese cuisine. I'm Ken Man, see you next time.